Hello and welcome to Nikolai's Biostatistics lessons, and today we are going to talk about Venn diagrams, about set theory, and we have to show the set of complement A intersection with complement B. Complement A means everything outside circle A, and complement B means everything outside B. Because we are looking for intersection of the complement A and B, our next step would be to find where, if we superimpose these two pictures, one on top the other, where red color and blue would overlap. For example, in this sector you see we have a blue color but no red color here, and no any color changed, for example, in this sector. But we have overlap in this sector, here and here. So let's fill with the color, and this is how this set is going to look like. Now let's add random numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. And in this case, our set is going to look as follows. So we are going to get 1 here. I know that for many it is great temptation to put 2, 3, and 4, but actually we are looking only for this sector here, and we have only one number here, so this is going to be a set for this particular sector. And this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.